Let's talk about the different ways that you can make money on the online space with artificial intelligence. These are also the importance of using artificial intelligence for your work, for your business, and making money also. So if any of this is your choice, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end to know exactly how you can make the best out of artificial intelligence. Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ifnanya Nwaigwe, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're yet to do that. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. You are the real OGs. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the importance of using artificial intelligence in different ways of life and also business and also entrepreneurship, and even you that want to use it as a side hustle, how you can use it to make money for yourself. The very first one is AI in marketing. Now, this is something that I have done in several years. I have been in the marketing industry, helping my clients to do a marketing plan and also help them to run effective Facebook ads for their businesses. Now, I am that person who really understands marketing and how it works. But then there's this mistake that I normally do before that no longer happen anymore. It's not really a mistake, it's just a drawback or a setback, which is me not knowing how to really get to my target audience, how to really get the target audience of my customers or my clients for their business. So I get a lot of complaints from them as at them asking how they are not getting the right people, or they are not able to get the right audience from this particular ad. What is going on? You know, a lot of things were going on at that moment. But then, with the help of artificial intelligence, I have been able to create effective ad for my clients. I have been able to really niche down and hit the target audience that this particular customers or this particular business owners want for themselves, and that complaint has really gone. They are happy with the ads, and their businesses are really doing well. So you, as a person who wants to go into the marketing business, how do you make money with marketing? How do you make money with AI in marketing? You can create business plan, you can create marketing plans for these people. You can also help them to run effective Facebook ads for themselves. So this is something that you need to learn and then practice before you get your clients or your first ever clients for yourself. All right. The second one is you using AI in content creation. This is something that a lot of businesses do. A lot of businesses want to start creating content for themselves so that they can reach their target audience, so that they can reach a large number of people to get to know about their business, to buy their products, and also become their audience, right? But then they don't have content creators. They don't have anybody to do that. You, as somebody who is into content creation, can come in to help these businesses to become content creator for their business. And now, how do AI help you? AI is going to help you to know the right content ideas for these particular businesses. It's going to help you to reach out to their targeted audience and also help you to create effective content that these audience are going to be resonating with. So this is something that you want as a content creator. You don't know anything, you don't know everything. There are some things that you know as a content creator. Like if your business is all about mechanic work or engineering work, then there is every tendency that you don't really know about things about fashion. Okay, so as a content creator who creates content for different businesses, you know everything about engineering. Then whenever a person in the fashion industry calls you to come and help them in content creation, you'll be relaxed that there is a tool that can help you to come up with content ideas for these businesses, which means you are going to get paid, you make money as well. Number 3 is AI in research work. This is mainly for students and also teachers as well, or even you as a content creator. But then, how do you make money, or how do you use AI for your research work? If you are feeling some kind of content block, or you don't really know what to do as a student, then AI can actually help you to do your research work. It can help you to come up with the best idea for your work, and also you as a teacher as well. It can help you to come up with what to teach and how to teach them, the demonstration, and even the images as well. Remember, all these things need a right prompt. So without a right prompt, without using the right and the best prompt, you will not get a result. So you want to really get a result by using the right prompt, okay? So these are something that you really want for yourself. These are something that you want as a business owner, right? And on this note, I need to tell you that I have a bootcamp, which is a 14 days intensive training whereby I teach you how to use AI effectively in your marketing, in your content creation, in your video creation, and also in your research work as well. This is something that I teach every 3 months, and currently we have the third batch in the class or in the group taking their training, and the next edition is going to be in February 2025. So if you want to get into this bootcamp, make sure you check the link in the description box and also join the group. All right, so without any further thing, let's just dive into the last one, which is the fourth one. So the fourth one is AI in customer services. AI in customer services. You know one thing, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you are no jack of all trades. You can't do it all yourself, okay? It's either you have people who help you or you have artificial intelligence to help you do that as well. Now let's talk about using artificial intelligence for customer services. If you have a website, if you have an e-commerce website, there are some questions that customers do ask, all right? So you need to know all those frequently asked questions that they normally ask, fill it into your chatbot so that whenever a person comes and chats you up with the chatbot, the chatbot is going to help them to answer these questions without you not being inside that website, or without you not being presently there with them, helping them with those answers. So you see, these chatbots are artificial intelligence as well. So they are helping you to do what? To answer your questions, and also this will give you the time to really focus on the things that matter in your business growth, and other ways to expand in your business. So you see, these are some of the ways that AI can help you to make money and also grow your business. So I'm going to rerun it again so that you get to understand it better. The first one is AI in marketing, helping you to help businesses in Facebook ads creation and also marketing plans. Second one is content creation, AI in content creation. The third one is AI in research work. And the final one, which is the fourth one, is AI in customer services. AI is a whole lot if only you know how to use it best. All right, so these are some of the things that I have for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and also hit that notification bell button so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it. Thank you so much for watching this far. I appreciate each and every one of you. Make sure you share this video with your friends so that they can know about this as well. I will see you all in my next one.